This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add a countdown timer to your Webflow site. Whether you're preparing for a big launch, a special event, or just want to create a sense of urgency, adding a countdown timer can be a great way to engage your visitors. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to webflow.com and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the All Sites button. Clicking on this will take you to a list of all your Webflow projects. Now, locate the specific site where you want to add the countdown timer. Once you have found it, click to open the project. With your project open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see an Add Element button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a panel with various elements that you can add to your site. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in Code Embed. This is the tool you'll need to use to add your countdown timer to the site. However, there's a small catch. If you're using the free version of Webflow, you won't be able to drag the code embed widget onto your page. To use this feature, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. If you haven't done so already, you might want to consider upgrading to make full use of Webflow's capabilities. Once you have access, you can proceed with embedding the code. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to tickcounter.com. This is a user-friendly platform where you can create a customizable countdown timer. Once on the homepage, you'll see an option that says Make Countdown. Click on this and you'll be guided through a few simple steps to create a timer that suits your needs. You can set the date and time for your countdown and even customize the appearance to match your website's design. After setting up your countdown, you will need to copy the embed code provided by TickCounter. This code is what allows the countdown to be displayed on your Webflow site. Simply highlight the code, right-click, and select Copy. Now return to your Webflow site. You should still have the code embed element open from earlier. Paste the embed code you copied from TickCounter into the code embed panel. Once the code is pasted, you can position it where you want the countdown timer to appear on your page. And there you have it. Your countdown timer is now live on your Webflow site. Remember, countdown timers can be a powerful tool for marketing campaigns, event promotions, and more. They create a sense of urgency and anticipation, encouraging your audience to take action. If you run into any issues or have further questions, don't hesitate to check out the community forums or Webflow support documentation. They offer a wealth of information that can help you troubleshoot any problems. Thanks for watching and happy designing on Webflow.